Guys, and today I'm going to be doing Life of a Slime Seller. So first is going to be the seller. Dun, dun. Hello, and today I just got an order from Gamma Girl 2026, and I'm looking to Compound Pink Queens. So, also known as Compound Queen. So what she wanted to order was a hot chocolate slime. So the first thing is the hot chocolate. It kind of looks gray on camera, but it's brown, trust me. Okay, and then with the hot chocolate slime, it comes with pink whipped cream. There's a heart googly container and some dispensing around. Just a few of these little rainbow sprinkles. So yeah, just all in this container. They're all in this container. So yeah, they're just this little container with little beads to have like little sprinkles. So if you want little sprinkles in your slime, so the next one is this crunchy bead slime that has all these little rainbow beads, and this is Cool Crunch. So yeah, I hope y'all guys like Cool Crunch. And the last slime is just wanted a big jumbo container. She wanted a mystery slime, so that's her mystery slime. We're going to send her in this big jumbo container of maroon mash that she can just dry it in her. Now this is what I normally use to make my slimes. So yeah, this is my slime base section. So yeah, those are the two slimes that she ordered, and this is my slime base that I use for them. So I'm going to go ahead and ship them to her, and she will do her video. They'll be shipped in this nice, compact box. So see you when I go deliver them. Okay, let's see if she comes. Here's your package, slime package. That's the coloring book. Okay, thank you. Bye. Okay, Really 26, also known as Compound Slimes, Slime Queen, has sent me my package. So let's start off with the Rainbow Cola Crunch. So here's the Rainbow Cola Crunch. It's a little off-colored, but hopefully it still looks good. It looks like cola and yellow, kind of. So it looks like, it's pretty close, but this, my camera looks a little more brown than it is. It's kind of like a maroon color. And so I only ordered 2 slimes, so I'll be able to do a lot. Oh my god, my hair almost got stuck in there. A lot of little ASMR. But here's my slime. Okay guys, I'm gonna make a slime swirl and I'll show you. It's not the best slime swirl, but that's okay. Anyway, I'm gonna put it back in its container. Now this one, I'm sorry, so sorry. Where's her hand?
I said he was going to take
One second. Okay, guys. Next is going to be hot chocolate. So here is our base for our hot chocolate. It's this brown colored slime. On the camera, it does it looks a little gray, and it has these little bitsy bits of glitter in it. And yeah, so to assemble this slime, comes with all these little beads. I'm gonna dump them in this container. So, and then it comes with pink cream. So first we gotta add in the hot chocolate to this slime container, and it doesn't actually all fit. This is optional if you want to add it to the container. There's my hot chocolate. Then what you have to do is you have to open up these and the pink whipped cream, and you got to stretch and throw it together. So you just stretch it and put it together. Then all you gotta do is you gotta connect it on there and swirl it around. And then all you have to do is dump out all your sprinkles. So I'm going to go ahead and dump them all out right here. Let's see which ones I'm going to put on right now. You're just allowed to put whatever ones you want to put on. It's kind of let you make this one like this. This one uses this other side to block them because they hit the other way. Okay, I think for this I'm just going to take this and do it. Okay, there it is. And now just gonna mix it all together. The hot cocoa first. And now let's mix it all in. So let's just get all those. Oh, and it comes with one special pink, pastel pink code, which is super cool. It also comes with another special one, but I must have already used it because I do not see it. It was the yellow one. Yeah. There's the yellow one, and I must have already used it because I do not see it on the table. And it's not going to come with those every time. Just mine came with two special only ones. Like, it's not going to come with those all the time. So, here it is. So basically, both of these were beads in it. But this one I definitely like better because it has less beads. And it's really cool. Oh, there was the last bead. Okay, guys, I'll be right back when I find the bead, okay? Okay, I couldn't find it, but it's somewhere in here. Y'all guys saw it. It was like a round yellow bead. It's really big with like... Oh, here it is. It's finally. So let me just get all this on off. See, this is what it looks like. Close up of it. Look at all that slime inside of it. So the slime definitely gets bigger. I don't know if it's supposed to get that big, much bigger, because I don't know. Yeah. Okay, so I just have to take some out, and I'm gonna put it in this separate container. This container is sent to my friend. This is half my friend. Okay, guys, so I hope you like that time. Bye!